Folks, welcome to another episode of moneystream.com.au. My name's John. Something different for you today, and that is a lazy Sunday afternoon. Got that Vegepod ready, just for domestic use, of course. These things are wonderful. I'm sure you've seen it on Shark Tank 5 years ago. And yeah, look, we've got the 2 metre by 1 metre Vegepod, and yeah, it fills up with 440 litres of compost, soil and fertiliser. It's self-watering, so initially you'd do all your planting, water it and so forth, and then after the second, third week fills up with the reservoirs, and yeah, it's just wonderful. So you could go on holiday maybe for a week or two during winter and not have to worry about getting the neighbours or the kids and that to water it. Anyway, I thought I'd show you and see what you think. Just here out on the balcony, beautiful Sunday afternoon, bit overcast, but fairly good weather. So yeah, 2 metres by 1 metre Vegepod, comes in smaller sizes. You can also get the veggie sack as well for just starters or tiny balcony, etc. Have a look and see what you think, and then I'll monitor the plant growth. It'll take a few weeks to get some plants going, but yeah, there's quite a bit in there. So come harvest time, I'm sure I'll have to invite the neighbours and a couple others to join me to consume. People might also want to look at it as a business use, of course. You know, they might have a large yard where they're looking to complement their income, and put a few of these in the backyard, and you know, after a month, 2 months, 3 months, you wouldn't believe what sort of produce you got, and yeah, before you know it, you've got a business, organic vegetables, thriving. So here we go, have a look folks, and see what you think. Yeah, so it's 2 metres by 1 metre. It's fairly good size. I opted for the 2 by 1 metre because I like my vegetables, and I prefer them fresh, organic, free of all those pesticides. So as you can see, it comes on a stand. You can move it around if you really wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it there. It's fairly stable as well. It's got a sturdy frame there with all the bells and whistles. Also comes with the cover, which I haven't got on today. It's a beautiful sunny day, so after watering, get a bit of sun there. But as you can see, there's quite a bit of produce in there, and yeah, I think there's over 25-30 different types of vegetables, anything from kale, rosemary, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, beetroot, chilies, chives, parsley, cucumbers, sweet potato, a couple of different varieties there, eggplant, beetroot, red onion, garlic, dwarf peas. So the list goes on and on and on. So yeah, just give you a quick look. Yeah, like I said, just domestic use for me, of course. Here in the apartment with a balcony, absolutely divine. Beautiful sunny day. So yeah, people might want to consider it for their own use, or you know, if you're looking to start a small business from home, or a hobby sort of producing organic produce, yeah, get on the Vegepod. Different types, different sizes, and next thing you know, you might have a small business running, wants the produce, and on sell it to your neighbours, friends, and goodness knows who. So there you go folks, that's the Vegepod, and yeah, thought I'd show you this just today. So yeah, stay tuned for the next episodes, guys, of moneystream.com.au. We're going to be talking about how to pay a home loan off in 5, 6, 7 years, depending on your income, and also stay tuned for some more interesting facts about how to access your credit score, how to clean it up if you've got any judgments or defaults, how to do it yourself, save a bit of money, and also it helps if you're looking to borrow money down the track. Credit score plays a big part in A, whether you get the finance approved, B, what sort of interest rate you get through the lenders, because some lenders won't touch you, some will, but they'll bump up the interest rate if you do have an adverse credit history. So stay tuned to learn all about that, and if you like the content, like, share, give us some comments, let us know what you want to see, and also if you want to continue watching the channel, you like the content, feel free to subscribe, because that helps me, and by helping me I'm helping you, and hopefully you see some good out of this content. My name's John, we'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now.